This video is my easy and amazing curly hair routine for the new year, you guys. It's my wash-in day routine for the nice, fresh, defined curly hair. Let's grow fast, healthy, curly hair, you guys. Chablee's hair journey. Subscribe to my channel. Welcome back to another YouTube channel. I'm Chablee, and I always talk about hair growth and tips of how to grow your hair and just speed up that hair process, and have healthy hair. You guys, I'm loving it. My curls are juicing. Yes, I did cut the front of my hair. I was trying to do some little layers, a little chop. I need to cut one more right there. But just taking my time, getting a little fluffy fluff back. Lost a little bit of length, but it's all good. It looks much more healthier and I have more body and shine in my hair now. Guys, it's time to wash this hair. As you see, this hair is a hot mess. It was so matted down here, I had to put water and braid it. It's best to detangle your hair before you wash it. So I'm gonna use this Olaplex and some other kind of great conditioners and shampoos. So let's just see how I can fix this hair. So I'm going to start off with one of my favorite shampoos. Yeah, Shea Moisture. It's excellent. So I'm going to just apply this and lather it in my hands and then apply it to my roots. As I apply the shampoo in my hair, I'm going to avoid my ends, you guys. Just because I really don't want to strip my hair, from its natural oils. When I rinse the shampoo out of my hair, it's going to pass through my ends anyway, you guys, and provide it with a little bit of cleansing without drying my hair out. Perfect. My hair feels nice and clean. So now it's time to apply this Olaplex, you guys. This bonding Olaplex is so nice and thick. It has a really luxury smell to it. So I apply this to my scalp. I actually just apply this everywhere. So the Olaplex 5, once it's just evenly distributed throughout my hair, I'm going to rinse it out after 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'm going to apply Olaplex number 3. And it's creamy and it smells luxurious. And I just apply it midway through my hair, you guys. This is really going to bring your hair back to life. If it feels damaged and hard or brittle, this is really going to soften it. This is going to give your hair that boost that you need, that fluffy curl, that refresh, shiny luxury hair. So let's just keep applying it through each section, and I finger detangled my hair as I apply it in my hair. All right, so I rinsed it out, and now I feel like my hair needs a little bit more. I'm going to apply the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil for strengthen and restoring leave-in conditioner. It has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider and vinegar. This stuff is good, but I don't use it all the time. I feel like my hair really needs this extra moisture. My hair is a little bit more dry than I would like it to be, so I'm going to use the Shea Moisturizer. This conditioner is really good. So this conditioner will provide my hair with tons and tons of moisture, and it will make it feel much more soft and manageable. Yes, applying this into my hair will definitely help my hair from being dry and brittle. It's going to bring my hair back to life. So definitely have to apply it all the way to root to tip, all the way to my ends. Definitely treat my ends, and I love using this demi brush, detangling brush. It really helps just glide and slide my hair throughout. Definitely applying the conditioner and rinsing my hair with cold water really seals my curls and helps from the frizz. So applying this in my hair is definitely going to help when I get ready to style it. So I like to put this in before I prepare my hair for styling products, because it improves with tons and tons of nutrients that my hair needs and shine, and also helps my curls be more defined. To use once I get out the shower and everything, I'm not filming that, is the As I Am Classic Curly Gel. I will do a separate video on that. It does have aloe vera and vitamin E and sugar bear root, you guys. It made my hair feel so fluffy, as you see in the image. It just feels amazing.
I did wash my hair, you guys, using the Olaplex 3 and the Olaplex 5. I do like the Olaplex, but the hype of like paying all that money for this is a little bit overwhelming. Like, I think I'm just gonna stick to my kinky curly because it works for me for $12 than paying this $28 to $30 products when I see just a slight difference. You know, it didn't have much slip either, you guys. It's like I feel that after, when my hair is dry, like it feels great, but when I put the product in there, I didn't really feel a difference. It was really strange until my hair got dry. So that's how I felt about this product, y'all. But look at this hair.
All right, you guys, so this is the final product. As you see, my hair looks super moist and my curls are super defined. Also was able to achieve lots of volume. Man, this works real good. So if you like this video and everything, or if you have some tricks or anything for me, subscribe to my channel and leave comments down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And check out some of these other videos, you guys, on my right and the left, and don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified when I have more videos.